In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Google Chrome browser with a password. This is a fantastic way to add an extra layer of security to your browsing experience, especially if you share a computer with others or simply wish to keep your information private. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser and direct your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll notice the familiar three-dot menu icon. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. Next, you'll want to hover over the option labeled Extensions. This will reveal another set of options, and here, you'll select Visit Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is where you can find a diverse range of extensions that enhance the functionality of your browser, including those that add security features such as password protection. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar towards the top of your screen. Go ahead and type in lock or password and press enter. This will display a list of extensions designed to help you safeguard your browser. Take a moment to browse through the results. Here, you'll find various extensions, such as Set Password for your browser or Browser Lock. Be sure to read the descriptions and reviews for each extension to determine which one best suits your needs. Choosing a well-reviewed extension is crucial as it ensures reliability and user satisfaction. After you've made your decision, click on the extension you wish to install. You'll be taken to a detailed page for that extension. Look for the button that says Add to Chrome and click on it. Once you click Add to Chrome, a confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Your chosen extension will now begin to download and install onto your browser. After the installation is complete, a new tab or pop-up window should open automatically. This window will provide you with further instructions to set up your password. It's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure that your browser is secured appropriately. Generally, you'll be prompted to create a password and possibly answer some security questions or configure additional settings. Once you've successfully set your password, your Chrome browser will now be locked and will require this password each time you open it, ensuring your browser profile is protected from any unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully added a password lock to your Google Chrome browser, giving your browsing activities an enhanced layer of security. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.